Starting a drone delivery service is an exciting prospect in the growing drone industry. Here's a roadmap to get you started. Understand the market and regulations. Research the drone delivery landscape in your area. Identify any existing competitors and potential customer segments, for example, medical supplies, urgent deliveries. Regulations around drone use vary considerably. Familiarize yourself with the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, rules for unmanned aircraft systems, UAS, in the U.S. Many localities may have additional rules, so be sure to research these as well. Craft a business plan. Develop a comprehensive plan outlining your business goals, target market, and competitive advantage. Identify the types of drones you'll need, considering factors like range, payload capacity, and weatherproofing. Factor in costs for spare parts, maintenance, and software for managing drone operations. Estimate your revenue streams, delivery fees, partnerships, and calculate operational costs to determine funding requirements. Explore financing options like personal savings, loans, or seeking investors. Get licensed and insured. Acquire a remote pilot license from the FAA to operate drones commercially. Obtain liability insurance to cover any potential damage caused by your drones during operation. Build your team and infrastructure. Consider hiring pilots, drone maintenance technicians, and software specialists depending on the scale of your operations. Establish a central location for takeoff and landing, for example, warehouses, and explore the possibility of setting up docking stations for faster turnaround times. Develop your delivery network, partner with businesses, or create a platform for customers to place delivery orders. Design a user-friendly app or web interface for order tracking and real-time delivery updates. Market your service. Promote your drone delivery service, highlighting its speed, efficiency, and eco-friendly aspects. Target potential customers who can benefit from faster deliveries, such as restaurants, medical facilities, or e-commerce businesses. Remember, this is a general roadmap. Starting a drone delivery service requires ongoing research, planning, and adaptation as the industry evolves.